On the day I brought out my winter clothes, Seoul is first snowfall. I'm making kimchi before the real chill sets in. I've got the ingredients ready and waiting for the cabbage delivery to start. Radish, red mustard greens, green onions, Korean leeks and apples, and onions. I rinse glutinous rice twice with water. It's approximately 17 ounces. Cook around 10 ounces should be fine. Letting it soak overnight, I plan to make congee with it on Kimjang Day morning. When it boils vigorously on high heat, lower the heat and let it simmer for less than an hour. It needs to cool down, so make it at least 3 or 4 hours before kimjang. Turn off the heat when the congee reaches this consistency. Wash all the veggies thoroughly. Rinse the red mustard greens 2 or 3 times with running water. Scrub the radish with a scrubber and toothbrush. This preparation takes a lot of time, but cutting and mixing steps can be done quite quickly. Cut off the roots of the green onions and peel off one layer. Then rinse them in running water. That's the end of washing steps. This time I'm skipping sugar and using 4 large apples instead. I'm satisfied with this recipe, so I might stick with it. Some apples lean towards the sour side rather than being sweet, so it's a good idea to assess their sweetness and see if you can substitute sugar. I will add a touch of water to facilitate blending. When grinding the onions, I also ground 1 radish. This helps to make the chili paste smoother and enhances the flavor. Cut the stems of the red mustard greens about 1/10 inch apart, and the leaves are approximately 1.2 inches in size. Slice radishes into thin stripes. Finely chop the white part of the green onions and cut the green part into larger pieces. Use only the white part of the Korean leeks, quarter them, and slice them roughly 1.6 inches apart. All the chopped veggies to the batch and mix them well. I add onion juice after mixing these batches. After preparing this chili paste, we eat some grilled pork. There's a fresh and delicious taste of this chili paste you can only experience on Kimjang Day. Mom, with decades of kimchi making experience, is showing how to mix the ingredients. Cut the cabbage into quarters and place them in a large colander to drain excess water. Set aside some leaves to enjoy with the meat later. We take a lot for the cabbage lovers in the family. Even if I closely follow the steps, mine always turns out a bit different. Spread the paste to each leaf like this. Apply more to the inner white side than the outer leaves. After filling up all the kimchi, leave it in a cool place for 2 or 3 days. When you see bubbles rising, indicating the start of fermentation, move it to the refrigerator. If you enjoy a strong fermentation flavor, leave it in a cool room for a bit longer. Every home has different temperature conditions, so there are no set rules for the duration. It's good to judge the fermentation progress by your taste. Wrap them with the outer leaves like this and place them in the container. Finishing touch with another outer leaves. I think it's better to use this recipe for 44 pounds of cabbage without any concerns. Set some aside as a side dish when having meat, and freeze the rest for later use.